Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Goan Portuguese dessert, which is Serradura, also known as Sawdust Pudding. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. And in case you want the written recipe of the Serradura, I have given the link to my written recipe in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.